Hi, welcome back to another tutorial on my channel on how to get started with Hacker Rank and do certification course. Just follow the steps carefully without skipping, so let's get started. Search Hacker Rank and click on the first website. Then go to For Developers option and select Sign Up and Code. Now fill the details mentioned. Username, email and your password. And then click on Create an account. You can also sign up using Facebook or Gmail given below. Now choose your preferred programming language, like C, C++, Java, Python and many more. Now before moving further, you have to do your first challenge. You can also change the language from the top right as shown in the video. You have to read the problem statement and sample input and sample output for solving this problem. In this problem we just have to return the sum A plus B and run code. Congratulations, you just solved your first challenge. Now let's continue. Select student or professional. And then your graduation year and proceed to dashboard. Now you can see the available certification courses. Now let us suppose we want to do certification in Java. So scroll down and click on Proceed. Now you have to verify your email address on which they will send you the certificate later. After verifying your email, again click on Proceed. Now fill the basic details required for certificate, fill all details correctly so you can add it to your resume. Verify phone number and proceed. Now the final step is to take test. Click on Take Test and then give the test. Once your test is complete, you will get your certificate on your registered email address. All the best and see you in the next video.